Look at this amazing pop-up card. I'm not going to show you, so make sure to look at the end of the video to see how my card came out. Well, let me show you how to make it. For this craft, you'll need some scissors, red marker, blue marker, a glue stick, white paper, and some red construction paper. To make this pop-up card, you're first going to start by folding your construction paper in half to make the card portion of the July 4th pop-up card. So just try your best to fold it in half, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take your white paper. Now the key to making this card a pop-up is to mark this paper, white paper, correctly. So align your red construction paper with your white paper, and then mark the white paper at the folds on either side. Our card is looking amazing. Now on our white piece of paper, we're gonna start making the designs. So since I'm making a July 4th card, I'm going to make a star pattern. But you need to know that this card is not only for July 4th. You can do any design that you want. Then you're going to fold along the marks that you made and cut out your paper. If there are stars on the American flag, I'm going to make stars with the red marker and the blue marker. I'm going to start by making stars on the bottom row of my paper. And then I'm also going to color them in. Look how amazing it looks! I made the stars all different colors of the American flag, but again, you can do any sort of design that you want for your card. Great! Now you're going to position your paper the vertical way and fold it like a fan. It doesn't need to be perfect. How cute the stars look as a fan. Now we're ready to glue it inside our card. Then you'll take your fan with the designs on it, align it where you want it to go, and glue it on. So I'm going to take this side and just apply some glue on it, and then glue it to my card. Then press down hard. Great. Then you'll glue the other side as well. And fold this side over. And then press down hard again. Time to add some glam to our card using markers and stickers or any decorations. By the way, I'll show you my card. Doesn't it look amazing? I made this amazing paper for the front of my card and this heart for the inside of the card. I'm just going to glue them in and voila, my card is done. My card is ready. Wow, this really is a really nice pop-up card. And now you can make this card in any design that you want and make a whole collection of pop-up cards. Thanks for watching our video and make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this.